Hey guys, so today we are going to be making a custom clipboard, and just for the supplies that we need, we're going to need adhesive transfer tape, a weeding tool, a squeegee, alcohol, and our adhesive vinyl that we're going to want to use. Don't forget our clipboard. But first we're going to place our vinyl paper side down on the cutting mat, and then once we get that all situated, we're going to load it into our machine. We're going to choose the proper settings for our material, blade of 2, force 13, speed of 5, for a silhouette cameo 4, and we're going to send that puppy to cut. And once we're all done, we're going to remove that from our cutting mat, and we're going to repeat the steps for the other colors. And once we have those ready and cut, the next step is to weed our design. Here you can see we are using our X-Acto knife to draw a weeding box to make everything a little easier. Alright, once we have that all weeded, we are going to cut out the other little pieces, and because those are solid, we're going to be placing each of those by hand. And then next we're going to make sure that we prep our surface area with that rubbing alcohol and let it dry before we apply the vinyl. And here we are just using an alcohol prep pad. Things a little bit easier, but then we're going to cut our transfer tape and place it onto our vinyl. We want to make sure that we squeegee that super good. Make sure it's really sticking to that adhesive, that transfer tape. And then we're going to be removing our design from the paper backing, and that's where the squeegee comes in again. And we're going to use that to make sure that all the little pieces don't stay behind. Once we have that all up on our transfer tape, we are going to place our design on the clipboard where we want it. And then we're going to squeegee it down. The last step is to remove our transfer tape. And look at that, we're all done. And we have a cute clipboard for our teachers. Thanks for watching at My Craft Source.